Ho, ho, ho. Today, we're going to drink beer, boys and girls. This is Stone's Enjoy By. If you haven't had the pleasure, they put these out, I don't know, once a month, once every couple months. It's meant to be fresh. So this is Enjoy By 010122. Each one, that's the full name, is Enjoy By. And each one's a little bit different. But they're always fresh and they're always delicious. Let's see how this one is. 9.4% ABV. So it's brewed to be festively fresh. Let's see if this one holds up to all their others. It smells hoppy. Also smells some grain. It's not overly aggressive with the suds, but there's a lot of effervescence, in fact. Beautiful pale gold. I'm getting malts as much as hops this time, so this may be well balanced. Pine, a little citrus, a little mango, a little lemon, but malt. And the hops are not overpowering in the aroma. By golly, that's good. This is real good. Now the hop resin taste is coming in the back end, but up front is hazy orange. Definitely the mouthfeel on the back end is hop bitterness, but so I'd call this a hazy IPA, a double hazy, a hazy double IPA, an IPA hazy double, I don't know, double hazy IPA, or a hazy double IPA. Your mother, uncle, father, whatever that movie was. Yeah, it's good. I'm going to enjoy this. Definitely a kick of bitterness, like I said, but it's not front end, top heavy. It's back end. A little bit of dankness, a little bit of funk, but front end is that juicy, hazy citrus. It's perfect birthday gift, or birthday? Christmas, right? Yes, Christmas. Party pug. Anyway, it's a good Christmas gift to myself. I didn't even wrap it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day, and cheers.